Level up your Christmas tree with these top 5 tips. Christmas came early and I can't wait to get this set up. Our tree was 6.5 feet last year, so we upgraded to a 9-foot king flock. Let's get this unboxed and put up the stand. Tip number 5 is to use risers under the stand. These bed risers elevate your tree to look taller and provide more space underneath for presents. Number 4, use gloves. This tree actually came with these great long gloves. This helps to protect your hands and arms while fluffing the tree. Let's start fluffing and shaping. Each section is clearly labeled and easy to slide into the center. Every branch has 3 parts to spread out even more. The first time setup takes a bit, but trust me, it is so worth it. I pull down one branch at a time and it gives me more room to fluff. I'm gonna need a taller ladder. This 9-foot tree has 2 boxes and 4 sections, and I was able to put it up all by myself. I love how it's coming together. This tree looks gorgeous with the pre-lit sequences, but let's go a little extra. Tip number 3, add market lights for more variety and light. Important, be sure to follow the directions and only connect the required amount of lights end to end. Every year I see videos of the stunning flocked trees from King of Christmas, and this year I am so glad I picked this one. Tip number 2, I always have trouble attaching the tree topper, so use a zip tie instead to get it in just the right spot. It's looking so festive! And the number 1 tip, check out King of Christmas to pick your favorite tree. King of Christmas has a variety of award-winning trees, but the real magic is selecting the one that you love most. And if you set it up early like us, you can enjoy it for even longer.